Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through common station maintenance for the DREAME Aqua10 Ultra Roller. If you're interested in the Aqua10, the link to it will be in the video description. So first things first, we're going to start at the very top of the unit. We can open it up and that reveals our clean and dirty water tanks, both of which are removable. Very easy to get out. And while they're removed, let's look at the inside here. We got a drain hole, so make sure that that's free from any clogs in case you have any drips and it needs to drain out in here. Same with these guys up here. Make sure they're free from any obstructions. That's going to be it on the inside there. A couple of spots on the back side in case you wanted to get what I assume is going to be an adapter if you wanted to have and connect an automatic water line in and drain out with this kit like other DREAME products. Then looking at the water tanks themselves, start with the clean water tank, not much to it here. Just refill that as needed, and you can rinse and clean that out every once in a while if you want. Then for the dirty water tank, it's in your best interest to clean this out after every use. If not, put some mouthwash in it, a dental tablet, something along those lines to keep this from getting really foul with odors building up. But that's our clean and dirty water tanks right there. Moving further down the station at the center, we have two arrows here. That's going to guide us to a handle so we can pull that away to get access to our solution tank. So you can refill. This is needed. A is going to be the larger 400 milliliter tank. That's going to be for your general all-purpose cleaning solution. B is going to be 200 milliliters for your pet-specific cleaning solution. You can rinse and clean that out as well if needed. And then our vacuum bags, very easy to remove the old one and replace a new one. In here, you can use compressed air to clean if you notice anything starting to build up. You can investigate the channel there too for any clogs or debris. And then the lid only goes back on one way, so make sure you have it lined up properly like you see right here, and then just gently press it in. And then at the very bottom, this is where all the magic happens, the self-empty, the washing, cleaning, charging, all of that. So we have a sensor in here. You can wipe that down if you notice anything starting to build up. Same with the charging contacts. DREAME gives us a removable wash plate, so that just pops right out on the sides there. You can wash and rinse that out. You can wipe down in here if you notice anything else starting to accumulate and build up on the station. And then this bottom ramp piece is removable. It just unsnaps if you want to clean that. And then our channel right here at the bottom, this is where it self-empties. So you have that little guy there to make sure it's free from any clogs or debris. And then at the underside, some of these models have basically a channel that's clear and see-through here if you need to get access to remove any clogs for the self-empty. For this one, it looks like since it's going up and out, that's not the case here. There are a bunch of Phillips head screws you could remove, but they do have one right here with a seal on it. So I'm assuming that that might void your warranty. Let's see if I can read that one. It does say warranty seal, so I'm guessing these are not meant to be taken out for any reason. So just keep that in mind. There are Phillips head screws down here for easy access, but one has your warranty seal on it. So proceed at your own risk if you choose to go that route and explore further. And that's it. It's a simple and straightforward station that just takes care of itself. Just keep an eye on the clean and dirty water tanks, your solution, and your vacuum bag. And occasionally if you want to clean out the tray down below, that's it. It's really going to take care of itself.